Alright, so we got an Articat TBX 500, and tires are really good shape, but they don't always hold air over time. I think this one here gets low too. Yeah, so I'll show you how to put in this Quad Boss tire sealant. I usually put in like 22 pumps in a full-size ATV tire like this. Oh, and ideally you want to have the valve stem either at the 9 or 3 or 9 o'clock position. You know, so I know this one's not. What we're going to do is after we get them all filled up, we're going to add air, and then you'll see we got to drive it. So Quad Boss, they claims, like, from what I understand, that they can seal bead leaks. So if I got a known problem with a tire, I kind of use this product. For preventative, I might use a cheaper product. And I suspect we're almost out right here. Yeah. So I gotta get another gallon. And I understand some people actually don't like tire sealant. Usually it's tire changing guys, because it's a mess. Yeah, and it's a mess when you're changing tires. But it does help for preventive maintenance. I should say preventive flats. And in situations like this, it most always takes care of the tire problem. So ideally, what you want to do is find out where the leak is and plug it. But this just gives you another option. And I think you have a better chance of priming it without this hooked up first, so just pump it up. Sometimes they don't prime up. It's not very common. So if they don't prime up, then you got to use, you know, another one that you previously had if you have one. Otherwise, so 3, 4, 5, 6. I just put a little more in this one for added measure. Obviously this one was holding air, but I just don't want to do 3 tires or 2 tires. If I do one, I'd like to do them all. The stuff is kind of expensive though. I forgot, I think it's maybe like 50 bucks, something like that, per gallon. And I didn't use a gallon. Alright, so the last step you do is you got to take the four-wheeler for a drive because it mixes up the sealant in it. So there you go, nice kitty. Nice kitty. Alright, so let's do it. It's cold here today. Alright, and that's how you do tire sealant on ATV. Alright, thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. I make videos like this often. If this helped you out or you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing. Please also consider donating using the link in the description below, which helps keep this channel going. Hope to see you in the next video.